Welcome to our e-learning video on the subject of the Council of Trent, a pivotal event in the history of the Catholic Church that had far-reaching impacts on the practice of Christianity and set the stage for the Counter-Reformation. The Council of Trent was convened in response to the Protestant Reformation, a movement that challenged the authority, doctrines, and practices of the Catholic Church. The Reformation was spearheaded by figures like Martin Luther and John Calvin, who sought to address what they saw as corruption and doctrinal errors within the Church. In 1545, under the papacy of Paul IV, the Council of Trent was called to address these challenges and to affirm the doctrines and practices of the Catholic Church. The Council met in 3 major sessions over the span of 18 years, concluding in 1563. It was held in Trento, a strategically located city in northern Italy, chosen for its relative neutrality and accessibility to key participants from across Europe. The Council's deliberations covered a wide range of topics, including the authority of the Church, the canons and decrees of the Church, the nature of original sin, and the importance of the sacraments. One of the most significant outcomes was the affirmation of the Vulgate, the Latin translation of the Bible, as the official biblical text of the Church. The Council also addressed the issue of church discipline, calling for the establishment of seminaries for the proper training of priests, the requirement for bishops to reside in their dioceses, and the enforcement of clerical celibacy. These reforms aimed to improve the moral and spiritual integrity of the clergy, which had been a major point of criticism among reformers. Another key aspect of the Council was its stance on salvation and justification. Contrary to the Protestant emphasis on justification by faith alone, the Council of Trent declared that salvation comes through a combination of faith and good works, affirming the role of human free will in cooperation with divine grace. The Council of Trent had a profound impact on the Catholic Church, initiating a period of internal renewal and reform known as the Counter-Reformation. It led to the establishment of new religious orders, such as the Jesuits, who played a crucial role in revitalizing the Church's mission in education, missionary work, and the defense of Catholic doctrine. In summary, the Council of Trent was a defining moment in the history of Christianity, addressing critical issues raised by the Protestant Reformation and setting the course for the Catholic Church's response. Its decrees and reforms reshaped Catholic theology, practice, and discipline, leaving a legacy that continues to influence the Church to this day. Thank you for joining us for this exploration of the Council of Trent. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into this significant historical event and its impact on the Catholic Church and Christianity as a whole. If you found this content informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.